Hey guys, wanna know what I've been doing for the past like 27 hours? I've been grinding Pet Simulator X, trying to get that huge hacked cat. But obviously, this thing, I can't even get past like this. I've only gotten these two pets from this stupid egg. Like look, I can also like hatch one of these glitched eggs. I probably won't even get worse than like the basic. I'm gonna get a glitch dog. Oh my god, I'm such a god! I just guessed that. I'm so cool. Like the video if you like cool content. I was just clicking, holding shift like Roblox Bed Wars, but I forgot. You know, it's one of my triple damage boost. Who cares? Oh, me. Okay, I guess I'll just use some. Anyways, yeah, I still have like 5 more hours going to those triple coin boost things. Well, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. That's not bad. Oh, my pets are still going on that thing. Yeah. Giant alien chest. That's how much it's done in like, okay, maybe like actually less than 12 hours. I've been playing this game for a while though. I figured out the secret to success. It's called an auto clicker. I actually decided to get one. I'm such a big brain boy. Anyways. You know, today's video ain't about Pet Simulator X. I can make another video about it if you want. I made one for Thanksgiving where I like did some epic stuff. I forget what I did there, but just go watch it and subscribe because I'm so close to freaking 300 subscribers. What am I at in the pet index? Let me see. I have 188 pets. What pets do I need? I need that huge forest wyvern. I want a huge pet. Oh my god, there's so many pets I have to use this thing. Yeah, you see, as you can see, out of all the exclusives, I do have these two, the nature dragon and the keyboard cat from hatching the pay-to-win egg. Yeah, and this guy right here, there's a huge cat. Okay, then there's, oh right, all these exclusive pets. Wow. Huge forest wyvern. I want one of those. Then there's huge hacked cat, huge Santa paws. Can't get that. You can currently get the huge hacked cat and the huge forest wyvern. You can get it for. Why am I talking about Pet Simulator X? That's not what today's video is about. What am I doing? I'll make a video about it maybe later. Who knows? Maybe if I get 300 subscribers by the end of January. That's pretty easy. I just need 2 more people to smash the like button and subscribe. Anyways. Okay, what is this video about, you ask? It's about me breaking Roblox. I'm thinking about making a Roblox game that can push Roblox to its bare limits. I'm a god at life. If you also agree, make sure to subscribe. Let's get into the video because 3 minutes of my screen recorder has already been wasted. I only have 15 minutes. Let's go. So let's go. Sorry, wait. Let's go. Back on the old Roblox studio. It's been a while since I made a video on it, but I have been updating my games very consistently. Also, this is the best template out there. So if any of you guys choose anything but this, you're just bad. I know some of you guys still do classic baseplate, but this one comes with bubble chat. Like, why don't you use this one? Alright. Anyways, loading place. This place looks so clean, and there's so much of it compared to that classic baseplate. Who cares about that one anymore? Alright. What do we got? Vibe kit sky effects only. Wait, that's a free model. Wait, hold on. No. We don't like free models here. Okay, so we want to push Roblox to its limits. How do we do that? We spawn infinite parts. I already have a really good idea on how I'm going to do this. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a, like one of these like parts over here. Where'd the part go? Where'd the part? Bam, we got ourselves a part. Nice. Well, why am I just using that texture randomly? I might make this like cyan, and then not shiny. No. I'll just go with like plastic or something. No, actually, I prefer the smooth plastic. All right, let's scale this. All right, let's push Roblox to its limits. Let's make a button over here. Like maybe like this, and then let me Okay, let me grab a sign. I'm good at these. Text invisible sign. Let's grab that. Yeah, I'm not the best at like scripting these kinds of signs, but like, you know, no one cares if it's a free model or not. All I want to do is make the meme game about breaking Roblox. Alright, let's go server. No, that. Let's go. Oh god, no, you don't want to see that. No! Oops, step on pad to break Roblox. I cannot speak today. Step on pad to break Roblox. Okay, I see. Alright, noise. Step on pad to break Roblox. And as you can see, nothing is attached to this yet. But don't you guys worry. We'll be adding ourselves a script. Is my auto clicker still going or what? Oh, okay, good. I'm very confused. Thank you. I was nervous for a second. Why is this part of a texture on it? I just added a texture accidentally. Oops. Who cares? Script. Let's go. Script. Let's delete the texture. No one cares about the texture. Hello world. Nah. Let's actually just go ahead and script this quickly. It'll only take about a few seconds with editing. Give me 1 second. Alright, so the working script is in here. I'm pretty sure this works. I haven't tested it yet, but we can try. Let's click play, and let's see if this spawns parts. I'm pretty sure it does. We're about to break Roblox. Roblox is already broken. Nice. If this breaks before the game even comes out, that'd be kind of sad. Honestly, it would. Ooh, spin. I'm invisible. Let's go. Why is there just... Oh. Yeah, so as you can see... Why am I invisible? Oh. It looks like my head's just staying there. Okay, finally, I'm starting to load in. Okay, now the game is actually loading. That's good. Now if we step on this, yep, a part spawned. And if we just stand here AFK, yes, more parts are spawning. This is amazing. And now we can finally break Roblox. Let's go. Now I'm just going to add some stuff to the game and maybe make this a little bit better. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so the game is actually out right now. You guys can go play it. And I'm done with it. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit more laggy because I tested it before and it wasn't laggy at all. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm just adding some small updates to the game, which is going to change it a little bit. So yeah, I'll be back when I do that. Okay, guys, so I actually just added like the best update in all of Roblox to this game. You are going to experience at least 50 seizures when you see it. Oh yeah, I actually should give people seizures in this game, but like, who cares? I'm not doing that. Maybe, I don't know. 10 likes, please. Joining the server, let's go. Pushing Roblox to its limits. So we have to talk about the update that I just made. It's pretty epic. Alright. So, you may be wondering, what is all this? Is that Pet Simulator X? Okay, so we have the pet section, and the pet section is pretty dang epic. So we have normal cat from Pet Simulator X, huge cat from Pet Simulator X, huge pog cat from Pet Simulator X, gamer pog cat from Pet Simulator X, gamer gaming dog from Pet Simulator X, giant dog from Pet Simulator XV, a giant cat from Pet Simulator 1, and intense gaming Takis. You know how gaming can get intense sometimes? Well, Takis are really intense. So, we gotta add those. Anyways, let's actually just talk about the normal part of the game. So, of course, we have all these parts over here. Step on pad to break Roblox. Step on the pad. I jump high, I know. You step on the pad and then adds a part to the Roblox gaming. See, parts are currently spawning because I keep stepping on this pad. But if you go to the hacker cove, what I'm dressed up as, well, I'm not a hacker apparently. This is the hacker. I found out an even faster way to break Roblox. If you want to do, if you want to go right ahead, okay, I might have to fix the writing on that, but who cares? Step on any of these and it spawns a part. You can just, all of your friends be stepping on those hacked squares, and then you can, spawn parts. So if you want to play this intense Taki game where you can get scammed out of your new Pet Simulator XV pets, where you can get all those gaming podcasts and intense Taki bag, link in my profile. All it takes is one step to break Roblox and for my PC to crash. Thank you guys for watching, and get me to 3 inches of subscribers, or else this will be in your bed. No, or else Taki's bag will be in your bed tonight. Okay, well, with that being said, thanks for watching, and bye.